Good day, everyone. Today, I'm just going to share to you my my feelings towards my father who passed away last year. Every day, I pray for him. I pray for his soul that he may reach paradise as soon as possible. And after praying, I will talk to him for a while, the same way I talked with him when he was still alive. And usually I will say, "Daddy, how you doing?" And he will look at me and with a smile on his face, and he will say, I'm okay, son. I'm just fine." And he will say, "How about you? How you doing?" And same thing I'll reply, same way I will reply. I'll say, "Daddy, I'm doing just fine." And in fact, until now, I could still, without even closing my eyes, I could see him sitting on the same sofa that he used to sit for the past 20 years of his life in this earth. And I could still see him looking at me when I passed by his room. And again, I would say, "Daddy, kamusta ka dyan? How are you doing?" And he would say, "Fine." And he will say, some days good, some days bad, but I'm sure that now, it's gonna be every day good days for him up there in heaven with the Lord Almighty. Again, God bless you all, and I think at this time I realized that when a loved one passed away, the grief will never go away. It's going to be there with you. It will be with you constantly. It's going to be a matter of on managing that grief that you have, and I think it's normal because that's your father, of course, that's your parents, and it's not going to be easy. There's no way to shortcut the the loss of a true loved one. Anyway, thank you for listening. If for those who will see this video, have a good day, and God bless you all.